Martha's granola recipe calls for 1.5 cups of oats per batch. Today she's making a lot of granola. She's making 2.5 batches. How many cups of oats will she need? So I'm going to use these fraction pieces to demonstrate the cups of oats. So 1 full circle equals 1 cup of oats. So for our first batch, since each batch takes 1.5, I'm going to lay out 1 full circle and 1 half circle for 1.5 cups of oats. Okay, so now since we're trying to get 2.5 batches, I'm going to add 1 more batch. So that's 1.5 more cups of oats. So 1.5 cups. Alright, so now we have this right here is what 2 batches take. So now since we're making 2.5 batches, I'm going to add 1 more full batch. So that's 1.5 more cups. So this right here is what we would use for 3 batches, but since we're trying to find 2.5, I'm going to need to find what half of this is. So since this is 1.5, this is going to be hard to split up just like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 1/4 pieces and I'm going to find out how many of these go into this 1.5. Alright, so I'm going to count them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I know that 1.5 equals 6/4. So 6/4 I can break up in half to 3/4 and 3/4. So now, since I'm only making half a batch, I only need 3/4 of these oats. So now I can get rid of this last full batch because I know that 1/2 a batch takes 1, 2, 3/4 cups of oats. So now last, I just need to add my 1, 2, and half batches together. I can bring these 2 halves together like this, and now I have 1, 2, 3 full cups and 1, 2, 3/4. So I need a total of 3 3/4 cups of oats.